Buddy, alam mo ba na may no down payment, modern minimalist house tayo sa Las Piñas? Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Yes mga buddy, you heard it right. Ito ay no down payment house and lot. Available through cash and bank financing. Siguradong magugustuhan ng family mo ito dahil napakaganda at napakaaliwalas ng ating minimalist house. Available na nga ito mga buddy upon turnover at gamit na lang ang dadali ninyo. Total of 4 bedrooms sa may magandang ventilation at 3 toilet and bath. We also have affordable houses sa Cavite for as low as 1.4 million. Isa na nga ito mga buddy sa pinaka-affordable na property sa Las Piñas. Total selling price is 8.8 million. Estimated monthly amortization via bank financing is 58,214. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!